Hey, nice to meet you. Maria with Maria Motivates, here to tell you a little bit about my program offerings. Check it out. No one ever dreams about having a before, after, and then another before photo. It tends to want to stop at before and after. So you have me here, first at 11, then 20 years old, definitely in my before stage, having been overweight my entire life. And in my early 30s, I gained some control through moderation. But moderation is a tricky, tricky dance to play. I don't know about you, but I've never had half a Twinkie and thrown the other half away thinking, yeah, I'm good. It was just a constant struggle to only eat the right amount. And I was constantly thinking about food. I used a lot of wonderful coping mechanisms, since going to the gym, talking to friends, going out, enjoying life. Then COVID struck. Did this happen to you? Everyone started eating out, DoorDash, you gotta love it. And it became another after. Each week, the pounds kept coming. And even though I had taught health and wellness for 7 years, I found myself struggling every Monday to begin again, looking at those foods that I used to love and just not really wanting strawberries or fruits or vegetables. Has this happened to you? What is your COVID story? How did the food and the trauma of COVID impact your health? I'll say for me, it was devastating, but I'm really, really stubborn. So I wasn't going to let it beat me. So Maria Motivates 2.0 is born. Yes, I took the 7 years of education and combined it with plant-based nutrition certifications, as well as a wealth of knowledge from many doctors in the field that I bring to my current classes. I have support groups, community classes, but my favorite is the 4-week JumpStart, and that's what I'm here to tell you about. If you are feeling like I was during COVID and just feeling like every Monday I'm beginning again and again, and why isn't it holding? What am I doing wrong? I know what to do. Why am I not doing it? And that defeat that seems to happen, well, the JumpStart just might be for you. So the JumpStart is a 4-week program, and we work with creating knowledge first, information about how our body reacts to certain foods. But knowledge isn't power. Yeah, I said it. Knowledge is not power without action. So you get guided action plans each and every week. On top of that, you get support. There's something about having people who know your name, who care about your successes, who want to help you through your challenges. So support of others is a huge part of this group. And I'm not talking about some anonymous Facebook group that you're on where no one knows your name or would notice if you didn't show up one day. This is 10 people who know who you are, know what's at stake, and want to help you, myself included. We then go over mindset. So our weight and our health is often a representation of met or unmet needs. I'm going to say that again. Our weight, our health is often a reflection of met or unmet needs. So if you had a lot of trauma during COVID, who didn't, you may have had a lot of unmet needs. And so maybe you didn't love your job, your relationship. There's so many things. And rather than managing those, we go to food. It's not uncommon. Stop beating yourself up, but let's address it so we can move forward. On top of the support you're also going to get a ton of resources, food, and recipe ideas. As I mentioned with the Twinkie, right? We're not going to do a moderation diet where I teach you how to cut in 5 pieces, 1 piece of candy so you can have a fifth a day. Instead, we're going to reframe your brain to focus on how to get healthful foods into your body, foods that actually help your heart, help your cholesterol, help your numbers, right? This is what we're doing, prioritizing healthful food first, and I'm going to show you how to do it. This program is for you. If you are really excited about making a change between you and your relationship with food, about really understanding and empowering yourself, then this is the program for you. Who it is not for. It is not for somebody who's not ready to make a change and not ready to release some of those highly addictive foods just for 2 weeks. We can do anything for 2 weeks. I know you can. But whether or not you want to lose weight or just get some heart healthy food into your body, this program, this is what you're looking for. So how do I give you the knowledge, the support, the accountability, and the structure you need? I know every Monday morning I would wake up and say, this is the week, but I didn't know where to begin. Well, I provide a strong framework for you and your fellow members. This happens through meetings, number one. So we have small group meetings. We meet twice a week. We have an hour-long meeting where we go over some nutritional information, some mindset information, and then halfway through the week, we check in about the action, right? Knowledge isn't power, action is. We also provide daily motivation. You're going to be tired of me by the end of this 4 weeks because every day you wake up to a motivational video, which gives you some instruction about, for example, how to clean your environment, how to manage cravings, anything that will help you focus on, yes, you. One-on-one coaching. So you are unique and your program should be too. Although we're going to start with a very structured 2-week program, we'll be removing processed foods from your diet. By the end of the 4 weeks, you will have a program unique to you. And we do that through one-on-one coaching. I'm really excited to create something that works for you in your life. 2-week access to Maria Motivates general support meetings. So although I say this is a 4-week program, it really is a 6-week program, 2 weeks of motivational support after you've completed the 4-week JumpStart. Now you can stay on with me and continue to do weekly meetings, or through that one-on-one coaching, we're going to determine the next best course of action for you. But you'll have access during that 6 weeks to a forum. This is where you and fellow members share recipes, tips, and tricks. It's my favorite place to hang out. This is your opportunity to choose you, to choose your health. So many things often get in the way. Everything else comes first. Give yourself this gift. Jumpstart your health. Try something new. I know you can do this. I'm going to provide you with the structure. You don't need to be an expert in all things. Coaches need coaches, guides need guides, teachers need teachers, and givers need someone to give to them. I hope you'll allow me to give to you. Are you ready to work with me? Are you ready to enroll? You have some options in terms of enrollment. If you haven't met with me yet, I would encourage you to book a free 15-minute consultation. In this consultation, we'll go over your goals, any health concerns, any questions you have about the program, and we'll also highlight some of the challenges and strengths you will bring. The other option is to simply send me an email. In the subject line, type, "I am ready." Include your name, phone number, preferred email, and if there's anyone you want to enroll with. Within about 24 hours, I'll send you a confirmation and information on how to pay. Program cost. This 21-day program is $650, which includes 2 meetings per week, daily motivation, program materials, which include recipe books, menus, shopping guides, access to a private member forum, 2 one-on-one coaching sessions, and 2-week access of our support meetings and support forum. This would be at the conclusion of the 21-day program. Equitable access matters. So payment plans are available as well as a sliding scale, and no proof of income is required. Simply pay what you can. Once you have a confirmation from me, I'll hold your spot for 1 week, and within that week, you can PayPal, Venmo, or Zelle me the payment. Share the health. Yes, you know somebody who would benefit from this program. Maybe it's somebody you want to do the program with. So forward this video to them, please. They'll thank you later. You can also follow me on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. See you there. Thank you for taking time for you. Yes, thank you for taking time for you. When was the last time you took this much time to think about your goals and your health? Did you do that during this video? Did you think about your goals and your health? Did you think about prioritizing yourself? I wanted you to take a minute and think, what's been getting in the way of me taking action in my life? What's been getting in the way of me working towards a healthier version of myself? I want to help, even if you don't enroll in the program. So if you want, hop over to mariamotivates.life and schedule a free 15-minute consultation. Kind of like a quick coaching session where we'll talk about what's been getting in the way, and I'll hopefully give you some tips and tricks. We're not going to solve the problems of the world in 15 minutes, but dang it, let's take 15 minutes because you're worth it.